Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this orange smoky eye makeup look. And to start out this look, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And the first color I'm going to use is this dark brownish orange shade. And I'm going to be putting that on the lid and the crease area, blending outwards towards my eyebrows. Next, on top of that brown shade, blending into it, we're going to be using the lighter orange shade. And lastly, we're going to be using the yellow shade, and we're going to put that blending in with the orange as well. For the lashes, we're going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara. And we're going to be topping this with false lashes later on. For my contour, I'm going to be using a light brown powder shade. And for my lips, we're going to be using the NYX Liquid Lipstick in a dark brown shade. And that completes this orange smoky eye makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.